Welcome once again to Test Tube Tina's Weird Science. I tell you, we have been running episode after episode with experiments that have explained our universe. That's right, we've understood more about the reason for being of many, many things. Now, I'm familiar with the beautiful world of alchemy. That's the world of chemistry, old-fashioned word alchemy, for all things unnatural. As you can see, there isn't a natural fiber on my body. So I'm the expert here. Now, as you know, we like to be sanitary. So we're gonna apply the gloves. And there's always a little kick, a little thrill at the end, kids. There really is. So we're applying the gloves. Okay. Oh, well, I tell you, these things are cheap, 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 cheap. But thank God we buy in bulk. We buy in bulk. Snap, it's ready to go. And another one. Okay, let's see if I can do a little quicker. There's gonna be a little challenge as the episodes go on here. See how quickly Tina can apply the gloves. Test tube Tina. Snap. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Now the first little experiment that we're gonna do we'll start this one. We're gonna start this one. It's all about, and by the way, kids, if you're interested in picking up this book, this is where Tina, Test Tube Tina, has gotten all of her ideas. Is easy science experiments by Diane Moeller and Sarah Savage. And illustrated by Heidi Patash. Isn't that a lovely drawing? Take a look at the unity in that picture. The dog, the children. That's lovely. Anyway, we're gonna take a glass of water. We're gonna take an ice. Now this is Mommy and Daddy's, Mommy and Daddy's little cocktail ice thing. We're gonna go in here. We're going to take out an ice cube. Take out an ice cube. We're gonna float that in the water. Now watch. Will the ice cube float? Do you know? Will it float? Just like that. It works just like that. Now we're gonna put a little salt on top of it. A little salt. Oh, actually, I'm gonna put the string on it. We're gonna try an experiment here. A little string right on top of that ice cube. Actually, let's run it lengthwise. Now, it would have been handy if my assistant had gotten me a fuller glass of water. But, hey, hold off. I'm filling that up. Okay, now we're back. We have the glass full. Let's put the string on there, put a little salt right on that. Okay, now we're coming back to this. I'm going to show you something else here while we watch that happen. And what we're going to do is we're going to take, just a minute. I'll be back. I'm chasing the balloon. We're coming back with a couple of happy balloons here. Now, as you'll notice, these balloons seem to be, just a minute, the same size. As you can see, evenly balanced. These balloons. Now, kids, what I want you to do is take one of these balloons and you put it here, your lovely assistant, take it and put it in the freezer. And what we're gonna do is come back to you. You put it in the freezer for 24 hours. 24 hours. 24. And then you come back and you compare the balloons again and you find out, does the difference in temperature make a difference in the size of the balloon? We'll find out. So, fast forward. We're back, kids. we're back, and you may notice a difference. Can you tell the difference? It's amazing, isn't it? Now, this is the balloon that we just pulled out of the freezer. And we pulled it out of the freezer, and we've noticed a difference in size. Now, young boys, you might know what this is all about. You know when you go into a really cold lake, and something just shrinks right up? Well, exactly. That's what happens as coldness touches things that are full of hot air. And so, as you can see, it shrunk right up. Yeah. Now let's see if this worked here. Our little string experiment. Okay. Well, oh. It's clinging. What actually happened there, kids, is the salt melted the ice, and then the ice refroze again around the string. Isn't that amazing what salt can do? Well, we hope you had a good time again on Test Tube Tina's Weird Science. Thanks for coming. Bye-bye.